Hey guys, welcome to the channel of Spatial Information Technology. In this video we'll discuss how to import the points CSV file into the AutoCAD. For this, first open the CSV file and see here the CSV file along with X, Y and level information is showing here. For importing, first concatenate the X and Y separated by comma and implement the same for every record. Copy entire column, go to the AutoCAD, go to the home tab and see here this is point section and just click into the drop down and see this is multiple points. Click here and go to the command window and paste the all point. See here all the point is displaying here. For better visibility, just change the point type TDP type. You can give the size 3. Okay, see here the point is imported. That's all for this video guys. If you have any queries, then drop into the comment box. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.